Hi, everyone. My name is Jason Kierstead, and I'm one of the co-chairs of the Open Cybersecurity Alliance Governing Board, and I'm happy to share an update on the organization with you today. The Open Cybersecurity Alliance was founded about 2.5 years ago, and we're a group of like-minded vendors, end users, and individuals who are focused on this mission of enabling increased interoperability in cybersecurity operations. And the way we do that is by taking existing standards, not just from OASIS, but other groups as well, and making them work in the real world with practical solutions based on open source code and open source software. So the OCA currently has 6 major initiatives that I'm going to go over extremely quickly. The first initiative is the Stick Shifter project, which is a data federation project whose goal is to create one data model and query language based on the STIX2 ontology that works across many different cybersecurity data sources. We have 29 different data sources to date. And what this allows you to do is essentially connect to all of these different SIMs, EDRs, and other tools, pull that data back and have it all automatically converted to sticks for you so that you can then do threat hunting, do operations across that data without worrying about different languages, APIs, and data models. The second project that we have is called PACE, and this is a fairly new initiative that's it has a target of bringing together a bunch of work under the IETF SACM group, as well as some of the group that is working on SCAP v2. And it's about enabling next generation posture collection that's cloud native and up to date with the cloud era. It also has a goal of being able to create software bill of materials from endpoints so that you can get a better handle on your risk profile across your enterprise. The third major project that we have is called Kestrel. And Kestrel builds upon Stick Shifter to build a universal threat hunting language. So with the combination of Kestrel and Stick Shifter, you have a full out-of-the-box capability using Jupyter notebooks that lets you threat hunt across different data sources with one language, one analytics module, and one API and capability to build machine learning integrations, enrichments, etc., and create what we call hunt flows and hunt books that are reproducible to share that across all of your different tools. Those are the 3 main projects. In addition to those, we have what we call working groups in the OCA, which are groups that are meeting together to solve a specific problem. So the IOB working group, or indicators of behavior, is focused on bringing together folks who are trying to up-level the state of affairs when it comes to cybersecurity analytics and not focus so much on IOCs or indicators of compromise, but actually focus on the adversary behavior and detecting patterns of those TTP's activity. The ontology working group is focused on creating a universal cybersecurity ontology and common language and way to describe all the different cybersecurity products we have to deal with every day. And finally, the Zero Trust Architecture Working Group is trying to refine some of the OCA technologies and the way that we describe them from an architecture perspective to create a referenced Zero Trust architecture that aligns with the latest work coming out of NIST. So that's an extremely high-level overview of some of the things we have going on in the OCA. And if it's something you're interested in getting involved with, there's a number of different benefits depending on whether or not you're in the public sector and security, or if you're a practitioner or a vendor or someone like an MSSP. So I'm not going to go into all these today, but you know, no matter where you sit in the industry, there are things going on at the OCA that you should probably be engaged with. Thank you very much, and look forward to further conversations.